welcome back to channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akshriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And Shaurya, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna have a singing competition. We'll sing and then you judge and you tell us who sings better.
Okay,
Go
let's
on,
start with the first song.
Yeah.
देखा जो तुझे यार दिल में बजी
I never knew she'd come up with that song. That's the choppiest song that you ever sung.
Okay, your turn.
Do you think we can sing? Like, this is not a singing competition, we're just kidding. We're back with another sale haul and this time we are showing what?
All these skincare products which you guys must try.
Okay guys, don't kill us because we're back with another sale video. The thing is that we have to try new products for you all because you ask us what products work best for us and what to use, what are the options available. So we actually wait for the sale time to get some shopping done and try out different products. So that's why we're doing a sale haul.
So Nykaa is having a really big sale. So we picked up products which are not makeup products this time because we've been doing a lot of makeup products. So we picked up skincare products this time, and these are the products which we wanted to try and we want you to try. So let's start with the first one. First up, we both have our favorite face wash, and this one is from the Body Shop. I have been loving vitamin E cream from the Body Shop, so I thought of trying the face wash too. And this is for all skin types and it's a very gentle face wash, so all of you can use this on an everyday basis. What do you have?
So because I have a little sensitive skin, I picked up the Delicate Facial Cleanser from Forest Essentials. Now this has Mashobra, honey, lemon and rose water. All of these ingredients are not very harsh on your skin, so you could actually use this on a daily basis as well, like the vitamin E one. And this has all the ingredients which will be very sensitive to your skin. So yeah, if you have sensitive skin, you can definitely try this.
So you guys know that I have oily skin, and because of that I tend to get clogged pores, and because of that I get blackheads. So a scrub is must for me, and a scrub which is very hard cannot be used every day. So I have the Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub from Neutrogena, which has very minute and not very harsh granules. So you can use this every day on your face and get rid of those blackheads.
So next we both have face masks. The one that I have is from Kiehl's and this one's the Turmeric and Cranberry Seed Energizing Radiance Mask. So the name says it all. It actually energizes and gets your inner glow back. It is actually meant for dull and fatigued skin. So by the end of the day when you think your skin is really tired, you could use this and get your energized look back.
So I have something for people who have acne on your face. This mask is amazing for that, and this is the Body Shop's Tea Tree face mask, and Shaurya has been using this for quite some time and she's really liking it. So I thought of picking it up and you guys should really try this. So if you have used scrub on your face and you do need to use a toner, and I have Kaya's Purifying Toner which says acne free. So that's another good thing. It's alcohol free and it also helps in unclogging your pores, and this is for oily and combination skin, so you guys can use this one.
Next, moving on to face moisturizer, I picked this one up from Body Shop. This is their Vitamin C Glow Boosting Moisturizer. Now vitamin C actually helps in brightening and lightening your skin tone, hence the Glow Boosting Moisturizer. And I actually have been trying the Vitamin C Serum, which I've actually been loving a lot, so I wanted to give this a try. Let's see how this works for me.
Okay, so how can we forget a lip balm? And this is Maybelline's Baby Lips Candy Wow Cherry, and this is really nice because it gives a very pretty pinkish tint on your lips. And I use this before makeup, before putting on my matte lipsticks, and I just carry throughout the day and keep using it.
Exfoliating your lips is also very important, which is why I picked up a lip scrub this time. This is from Forest Essentials. This is the Cane Sugar Lip Scrub. It has very minute granules that will help exfoliate your lips really well and keep your lips soft and supple throughout the day. So since I've been loving the Bioderma's Micellar Water since a really long time, I wanted to give the one from Natio a try, and this one is called the Cucumber and Aloe Micellar Cleansing Water. It's basically a makeup remover and a facial cleanser. So this is very soft and gentle on your skin while it also removes all the dirt and makeup that you have all throughout the day. So what do we have now?
So whenever we go out, Shaurya is always carrying her hand cream and I never have it. So I thought of picking up a hand cream because I always end up using hers and she's gonna kill me eventually. So this one is Innisfree's Tangerine Hand Cream, and this comes in like a nice small pack so you can carry it anywhere. And this smells of orange and it's really nice and you should give it a try. What is this, a deo?
No, it's not a deo. It's something really cool. So I actually have been seeing the ads going around and I really wanted to pick this up. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Spray Moisturizer. It's actually a lotion and this is in the flavor cocoa butter.
So good.
And it's very easy to use, especially for someone who probably goes to school, college or work. It's super convenient to use. All you have to do is twist and
Ooh,
spray.
so cool this is.
That's it, you're done. And this smells absolutely amazing and it's something that you can carry easily without any leakage, so I think it's very travel friendly as well. We tend to neglect our feet a lot and this time I thought I'm going to pick up a foot cream. This one's from Kama Ayurveda. This is their foot cream. So it has essential oils of lemon and the smell is really refreshing, so it'll keep my feet really soft, supple and refreshed. It is made of all organic ingredients, so that's a good part. And since it's winter, you would obviously need something to take care of your feet, so yep, I took this.
So I often get scared of trying different products on my skin because they have a lot of chemicals in them and I don't want to use anything harsh on my body. So I got Pure Sense Relaxing Goat's Milk Soap. So of course this has goat's milk and this is for sensitive skin and it helps in relaxing your body. So you should give this a try. And also because it has goat's milk, it's going to be very gentle on your skin. This comes in a very cool packaging. I mean, for a soap, I think this is amazing. And also,
It smells amazing.
it smells really nice.
Yeah.
What do you have?
Okay, so the last thing that I picked up is a scented candle. Now I am a lot into body massages and spas at home, so I actually keep a lot of scented candles which would help relax my body and mind. So this one is the Pure Sense Relaxing Macadamia Hand Poured Body Massage Candle and it smells absolutely amazing, just like the way I like it. And this comes in this glass packaging with a wooden top, which is actually pretty cool. It actually smells like the soap only.
Yeah.
It smells like the soap
yeah,
only.
it's really nice.
So yeah, this is what I use when I want to relax myself down and calm myself down. So the links to all of these products will be mentioned in the description box. All of these products are easily available on Nykaa and at an amazing discount during their Republic Day sale.
And if you're going to shop for more than 4,000, then you're going to get Nykaa's complimentary makeup bag free. And I really like this bag actually.
even I
it's
like
like
it.
really nice.
it feels also like very soft.
So if there are any other skincare products which you guys really like and you want us to try, then how about you guys comment in the comment section below and let us know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things. Bye guys.
So if you guys have been following us, So if you guys have been following us, you'd know that I really. Since I've been loving the Kill me, please.
Die, Shaurya, die.